Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Idrina Natasha Abdiarudin, student ID 2022483358. So today I'm going to explain about what is muscle ache. Muscle ache is muscular discomfort that mostly causes by tension, overuse, or muscular injury that as a result of exercise or strenuous physical labor. The pain mostly involve a specific muscle and begin during or shortly after the exercise. It is frequently clear which action is generating the pain. Muscle aches are extremely common and almost everyone has been experienced this muscle ache. Almost everyone have experienced discomfort in their muscle at some point, because in all part of the body have muscle tissue. Type of pain can be feel practically anywhere.
My name is Nurin Naziha binti Rahim and I'm from class AS1203B and I will explain you about symptom of muscle pain. There are a few symptoms of muscle pain. First, joint pain. Joint pain is discomfort that affecting one or more joints in our body, where the end of two or more your bones meet. For example, your hip joint is where your thigh bones meet your pelvis. This symptom also can be causes from sport injuries and repetitive movement that put stress on joints. You can detect if you had joint pain, such as if you get pain at night, swelling, redness at the pain spot, and morning stiffness that take hours to wear off. We also can protect ourselves from joints as we're aged, like always watch our weight and take care of whatever we eat. Second, keep moving like cleaning the house and avoid from doing nothing at home. And last, quit smoking, especially for men that addicted to smoking. So this way can avoid from head joint pain. That's all for the first symptom of muscle pain. Second of symptom muscle pain is muscle cramp. As we know, muscle cramp are commonly people had when sleep or whenever it can happen. It's uncontrollable and involuntary. It's also a very painful cause muscle attraction and tightening. The exact cause of this muscle cramp is unknown, but some of the risk factors may include poor physical condition, dehydration, or muscle fatigue. The way to help reduce this muscle cramp by gently stretching the muscle and massaging the area. Stand up and walking around, or you can stretch the affected area. You also can take a warm shower, can help the relax muscle and make your leg cramp stop fastly. Last is muscle spasms. This symptom of muscle pain, also called muscle cramp. It occurs when our muscle involuntarily or forcibly contracts uncontrollably and can't relax. These symptoms are common and normal. You also can get muscle spasms anywhere in your body. Causes of this symptom, it is because of the electrolyte imbalance, dehydration, or muscle overuse. It can relieve by stretch your body, go to massage, or use cool or hot water at the pain spot, and doing light exercise at least 3 times a week. But these muscle spasms can cause damage because if a muscle in our back spasms, you can injure your spine too. You also should go to the doctor if you regularly experience muscle spasm for no obvious reason, or see a neurologist for a thorough examination and diagnosis of your condition. So, there are 3 symptoms of muscle pain that we know. So, that's all. Thank you.
My name is Sarah Sophia. Now I'm going to talk about the common causes of muscle aches. There are 6 of it. The first one is doing physical activity. This happens because of overusing it while do the physical activity. If there is more physical activity than usual, it also can lead to more aching muscle to happen. This usually happens to kids, whereas this was called as muscular tiredness. Do exercise that is harder than they used to also can lead to the sore muscle to happen. For the next one is too much stress or tension. It also causes to muscle aches. This happens because of the reflex of reactions, which is the way of our body guarding against injury and pain. The muscle tension occur when there is sudden onset stress, which make the muscle tense up all at once. For example, when you are stressed, it can cause the muscle to tense or spasm, which is it increase the pain. For example, the other example is both tension type of headache and migraine are connected with chronic muscle tension. The area that connected are related are shoulder, neck, and head. The third one is overuse. This happen because of we repeatedly use the same muscle at work or during exercise. When extra load placed on body during exercise, it will create a tiny microtears in the working muscle, which is it lead to our muscle to hurt. Now for the fourth causes of the muscle aches is muscle cramp. Muscle cramp, it is known as a sudden or unexpected tightening of one or more muscles. For example, when having a period cramp and also when we stay in the surrounding that are too cold. This can be very painful when we having it. Moreover, when we exercising or working hard, especially in heat, it can lead to having a muscle cramp too. Hence, some medicines and illness also may cause to the muscle cramps. In addition, pointing to while laying down or when we sleeping, which is it shorten the calf muscle of our legs, which is it was the common site to have muscle cramp to occur. Besides, there is muscle strains. Muscle strain is an injury to tendon or muscle. Muscle strain also are commonly occur in the lower back and the muscle at the back of our thighs, which is called as hamstring. Example on activity that often happen this muscle strain is when you suddenly speed up or slow down when you're running. This also involves in the injury to a muscle of tissue that attach a muscle to a bone. Lastly, sprain muscle. Sprain muscle is known for stretching or tearing of ligaments. Sprain muscle commonly happen in our ankle.
Hi, my name is Amira Shafia binti Shamsanhar. So, what types of medical conditions can cause muscle pain? Not all muscle aches are related to stress, tension, and physical activity. Some medical explanations for myalgia include fibromyalgia, especially if aches and pains last longer than 3 months. Chronic fatigue syndrome, autoimmune disorders such as lupus, dermatomyositis, and polymyositis. The next one is myofascial pain syndrome, which causes inflammation in muscular connective tissues called fascia. Inflections, thyroid problems, such as hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. The last one is hypokalemia, which is low potassium.
Hi, my name is Nurul Nabila and I'm from group AS1203B. I will explain about how to treat muscle pain. There are several ways to treat muscle pain, but I only put two ways to treat muscle pain. First of all, rest and gentle stretching. Rest and gentle stretching, which is when you experience muscle pain, it's important to give your muscle time and to recover, which is we also can avoid overusing or straining that can be affected to our muscle. Additionally, gentle stretching exercise also can help improve flexibility and relieve muscle, also increase blood flow and promoting healing. The second way to treat muscle pain, which is use heat or cold therapy. Okay, actually you can choose either you want to use heat or cold therapy. It depend on our type of muscle pain. Applying a cold compress or ice pack to affected area can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain. On the other hand, we can apply heat such as using heating pad or taking a warm bath. It also can help relax and muscle to increase our blood flow and promoting healing.